If you want a healthier lifestyle, fresh juice is one of the easiest ways to start. Store-bought juices often contain added sugar and fewer nutrients, but a good cold-pressed juicer lets you enjoy pure, natural juice at home. Cold-pressed juicers work at low speed, which helps keep vitamins, minerals, and natural flavor inside your drink. They also reduce heat and oxidation, giving you better quality juice that lasts longer. Whether you love orange juice in the morning or green detox juice during the day, the right machine makes a big difference. Today, we are counting down the top 5 best cold-pressed juicers that are powerful, easy to use, and perfect for daily health. Let's get started. Number 1. Ninja NeverClog Cold Press Juicer. Taking the top spot is the Canoly C16 3-in-1 multifunction juicer. This premium machine doesn't just juice, it also makes nut milk and zero-waste frozen fruit sorbets, making it perfect for families who want variety and healthy options. The massive 6-inch feed chute accepts whole fruits and large vegetables, reducing prep time significantly. Its quiet AC brushless motor runs at just 35 decibels, so you can juice without disturbing your home. With a 90-ounce large capacity hopper, it allows large batch juicing for meal prep or family use. Cleanup is effortless thanks to the detachable pulp ejector and dishwasher-safe parts. Backed by a 15-year motor warranty, this juicer offers premium performance, high juice yield, and long-term reliability. Number 2. LQZ Cold Press Juicer. This upgraded juicer focuses on speed and efficiency. It features a wide-mouth feed system that is much larger than standard models, allowing you to drop in whole apples and vegetables with ease. The auto-cutting system uses dual crushing blades to slice ingredients quickly, maximizing juice extraction. Operating at a slow 60 RPM, this cold press system reduces clogging and sediment, ensuring nutrient-rich juice every time. Double strainers separate pulp from juice for a smooth result, while a larger auger applies strong pressure at low speed to extract every drop. The stainless steel body is durable and easy to clean, and side vents prevent overheating. With only 3 main parts, assembly and operation take just seconds, making this juicer both powerful and convenient. Number 3. YPONE Cold Press Juicer. This model is designed for convenience and safety. It has a 5.8-inch extra-large feed chute that fits whole fruits and vegetables, so you don't need to pre-cut. A smart safety lock automatically stops the machine if opened, helping protect your family. It uses 55 RPM slow grinding technology to avoid heat buildup and oxidation, retaining maximum nutrients and natural flavors. Dual strainers filter juice twice through fine mesh, reducing residue and improving yield. Assembly is simple with 3 main parts, and 1-button control makes operation easy. It also includes a push rod and cleaning brush for quick cleanup. The durable shell with side vents prevents overheating, ensuring long-lasting performance. Number 4. AMZCHEF Cold Press Juicer. This juicer is perfect for those who want efficiency with minimal prep. It features a wide mouth feed and auto-cutting power, 3 times larger than standard juicers. Whole apples and vegetables can be added directly without chopping. Its slow, 60 RPM masticating system dramatically reduces clogging, and dual strainers separate pulp from juice for smooth, natural results. The larger auger applies high pressure at low speed to maximize juice yield. Constructed with a stainless steel shell and strategically placed side vents, it's durable and easy to clean. Assembly is simple with just 3 main parts, and the included brush makes cleanup fast. Number 5. Canoly C16 Cold Press Juicer. This compact cold press juicer is perfect for beginners or small kitchens. It delivers non-stop juicing power and handles tough ingredients without slowing down. The strong motor rotates the auger at low speed to protect nutrients while extracting juice efficiently. Total pulp control allows you to choose between less pulp or more pulp using 2 interchangeable filters, giving you juice exactly the way you like it. 2 one-touch programs make operation simple with start, stop, and reverse functions. Cleanup is easy thanks to the anti-drip lever, which prevents spills and keeps your counter clean. Its compact size fits easily under cabinets, making storage simple. Those were the top 5 best cold-pressed juicers for healthy, fresh juice at home. Each one offers strong performance, nutrient-preserving technology, and easy cleaning. The best choice depends on your kitchen space, budget, and how often you juice. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and top product lists. Healthy living starts with small steps, and a good juicer can be one of them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.